Welcome friends. In this video I'm going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin and 39 altcoins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And this is very important video because in this video I am going to tell you my all price targets of these 40 coins. So please stay in the video and please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. This is the CoinGecko and here you can see Bitcoin and altcoins are in green now and market is in uptrend right now. Let's get into the chart right now, and this is the Bitcoin US dollar 1 hour Gemini chart, and here you can see Bitcoin is currently trading at $53,830 and Bitcoin successfully break this resistance level which was at $52,500 to $52,800, and Bitcoin break this and now Bitcoin is in uptrend right now. You can also watch here. Here you can see Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangle and also this downtrend channel, and now Bitcoin is very bullish right now. Now what is the next target according to me for the Bitcoin right now? Let me zoom in for the clear view. According to the technical things, the target of this triangle should be this. Our first target for the Bitcoin right now is this. $55,000 is my first target for the Bitcoin. Maybe Bitcoin down to touch this retest again this support line, and after that maybe and confirmed I think that Bitcoin should have to move towards upside after once if Bitcoin hit this. This is our first target. $55,000 is my first target, and let me please tell you my other targets. Friends, please thumbs up the like button because this video is very important and all 40 coins I am going to cover in this video, and all 40 coins are very important right now. And let me please tell you my second target, and according to that falling channel, our target will be this zone, 60,000. First target 55,000, second target is 60,000. Market is very bullish right now. BTC is bullish right now. Maybe Bitcoin Bitcoin price goes down to touch this level 53,000, maybe $53,200, and after that we may see a pullback from Bitcoin price and Bitcoin hit this 55,000 and 60,000. These are two targets right now. And let me please show you the BTC USDT chart. And this is the Binance chart, BTC USDT, and here you can see how successfully Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance. This was very strong resistance. Bitcoin reject several times from that resistance point, and how beautifully Bitcoin break this. And here you can see Bitcoin is in this rising channel, and let me please tell you the BTC USDT target right now. Our first target sorry for that. Our first target in BTC USDT pair is 59,270 is our first target. But to get this target, Bitcoin should have to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $57,800, and this trend line, upper trend line of this rising channel, and then it have to break 57,800 with 4 hourly candle closing and with daily candle closing. Then Bitcoin should have to hit $59,270. And let me please remove this. And once Bitcoin break this rising channel, and let me please show you, Once Bitcoin break this rising channel, then our target will be this. $67,000. This is new bull run of Bitcoin right now, I think so. And these note down these three levels, and I am very bullish, and market is looking very bullish right now, and I think Bitcoin should have to hit these targets. And if market stable, then definitely Bitcoin will have to hit these targets. And but if you want to trade this, then you should have your own research, and I will not responsible any of your loss, investment loss, or any of your trading loss, because this video is just for informational purpose and I am not a financial advisor. That is why do your own research before entering any trade or before to invest in any coin. Currently EMA ribbon is at 51,900, you can say 52,000, and once Bitcoin break this $50,800 with daily closing, then Bitcoin will go down. Otherwise Bitcoin is very bullish right now, and this level 52,000 is now as a support zone for the Bitcoin, because this is the EMA ribbon level, and it is at 52,000, and it is turning now a support for the Bitcoin right now. Please note down these three targets I show you. Let me please show you my next beautiful chart. Ethereum. In my previous video, I was told you that Ethereum is in this horizontal rising channel, and how beautifully Ethereum break this. Our first target for the Ethereum is 1974, and for this Ethereum should have to respect this trend line, and maybe Ethereum should have to move this, and after that it will hit this. Maybe it is going to retest the level of $1,800, and after that it will go up, and or maybe it will go down to this level $1,780. Then after that it will go up. But I think Ethereum should have to move towards upside, and our first target will be 1974 for the Ethereum right now. And let me please tell you my other targets for the Ethereum right now. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button for this video, and please show your support to me. This video is very important, because I will definitely tell you 40 targets, 40 price targets of different coins. So please, this is our second target for the Ethereum right now. 2029 is our second target for the Ethereum right now. First target is 1974, and second target is 2029. These are very realistic target for the Ethereum right now. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently at that price level, and 1780, and now it is turning as a support for the Ethereum right now, and definitely it will support Ethereum's price, and Ethereum price will go up, and will hit these targets. These are the targets. Please write down these targets, and if you want to trade these coins and these 40 coins, then you should have to open a Binance account, and you have to go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. It takes only 30 seconds. And if you want to collect some small gems, small cap coins, then you have to open your Hotbit account. Click on this link and you can open Hotbit account. And if you want to do leverage trading, then you can get $200 bonus absolutely free after deposit. And this is the link of the Bybit leverage exchange. And let me please dive into the content, and let me please show you my next coin. My next coin is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi reject from this zone. It was the zone price of $42,400, and after that we see a pullback from the price of the Wi-Fi, and now it is struggling to break this upper trend line. Once it break upper trend line, then it will go up like this. And let me please tell you my targets of this Wi-Fi USDT. Please stay in this video, and please friends thumbs up the like button for this effort right now. And let me please tell you my next target. $45,300 is our next target for the Wi-Fi right now, and for this it should have to break this horizontal resistance, which is at 42,600. You can say our first target is 42,635, or you can say 42,600, and our second target is 45,384. These are the targets. Please note down these targets. My next chart is very important. Cardano. Cardano was in this falling channel, or you can say falling wedge, and here you can see how beautifully Cardano break this, and now the rally of uptrend is, I think, is about to begin right now, and then definitely Cardano have to move towards upside. Let me show you my very realistic target. My first target for the Cardano is this zone. Let me please. $1.31. You can say 1.20 is my first target, and 1.31 is my second target, and according to the technical pattern, 1.40 is my third target. These are the target. Maybe price of the Cardano move towards downside, and maybe it will hit this zone of support zone, then maybe it will go up. But these are three very realistic targets. I think Cardano should have to hit these targets: 1.2, 1.31 and $1.40. Please note down these targets. My next coin is Tron, TRX USDT. Tron rejected from that zone, and it is horizontal resistance is at $0.053, and it is in this rising channel. Once Tron break this resistance, then let me please show you what is going to happen in Tron. Our first target should be, if Tron close 4 hourly candles above this zone, which is 0.0535, then our first target will be 0.057, and our second target will be, let me please show you, sorry for that. Friends, please keep supporting, and please thumbs up the like button for this effort. 0.058 is our second target. These are two targets, and once it break this horizontal resistance, horizontal trend, upside trend line, then definitely it have to go to, let me please tell you, then our third target will be 0.064. Write down these three targets. These are the targets for the Tron right now. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Polkadot. Polkadot is rejected from that zone, which is 38.6, and after that it break this horizontal resistance, and it is currently struggling to break this horizontal resistance right now, and this horizontal resistance is at 36 to 36.4 or 36.5. Once it break this horizontal resistance, then our first target, let me please tell you, this is the main support line, and maybe price goes down to hit this main support line, and after that it will pull back. But let me please tell you my targets. $40.2 is our next target for the Polkadot right now. but for this Polkadot should have to break this horizontal resistance, which is at 36.08, and should have to hold this downside trend line, and after that it is definitely going to hit this $40.15 very soon. This is my next target for the Polkadot right now. My very beautiful and important coin is Chainlink. Chainlink is break this horizontal resistance and break this upside channel, and now it is currently struggling at $31.6, and it is creating like a bull flag, I think so. And let me please show you. It is a small bull flag like pattern, and yes, it is. Of course it is. Sorry for that. We have to make a clone on this. Our first immediate short term target for the Chainlink right now is that level. So 33.93, you can say $34 is our first target for the Chainlink right now. And let me please tell you my next target for the Chainlink right now. Sorry for that. Let me do this in that way. $35.3 is our second target for the Chainlink right now, and our third target is 36.7. These are three targets for the Polkadot right now. Chainlink right now. 33.94, you can say the $34, then you can, our next target is 35 and 36. These are three targets for the Chainlink right now. My next one is XLM Stellar, and Stellar is currently breaking this symmetrical triangle, and it is very big breakout, and definitely Stellar will hit new targets. Let me please tell you my immediate short term target for this Stellar right now. Stellar should have to hit $0.48. This is our first target. Let me please tell you my immediate short term target, medium duration target, and Stellar should have to hit this target because this breakout is very imminent. And here you can see this is very beautiful breakout. 0.50 to 54. These are two targets for the Stellar right now, and our third target will be this zone 0.60. 0.48, 0.54 and 0.60 is our next target. But if Stellar fails to break this horizontal resistance, then maybe we may see some sideways action like this, and after that price will go up. And let me please show you my next chart, which is Uni USDT. Uni was rejected from that zone, which is $35 price level, and it is currently struggling to break this resistance, and it is currently at $34.10 and is in this rising channel. And let me please tell you my next target. Once it broke this horizontal resistance, then let me please show you. This is very important resistance for the Stellar. For the Uni right now. Our first target for the Uni, once Uni break this, then our first target should be this zone. 38.6 is our first target, and our second target will be the height of this ascending channel, and once it break this ascending channel, then it have to hit this zone, and then price should be this 43. 38 is our first target and 43 is our second target, or you can say 36 is our first target of this horizontal upside trend line, and second target will be 38 and third target will be 43. These are the targets for the Uni right now. My next coin is Kusama KSM, and KSM how beautifully is making a bull flag right now. Let me please arrange this chart. This is the main trend line, should have to respect this, and Kusama should have to respect this line, and this is the main upside trend line, this is the downside trend line, and it is in between this rising channel. And our first target is that zone, which is 2257. It is our first target. Once it breaks our first once it hit our first target, then let me please show you my next target. My next target for this coin is that zone. 276 is my second target, and these are two targets. I think Kusama KSM should have to hit these levels, and if it rejected from that zone and fails to break this horizontal resistance, there may be sideways action in this Kusama. But once it break $258 price level with 4 hourly candle closing, then definitely it have to hit 275 is my next target. But right now 257, 275, these are two targets for the Kusama right now for me. My next coin is WET VChain, and VChain is so beautifully pumped, like, and VChain signal I was posted in my Telegram VIP channel, and if you want to join my Telegram VIP channel, then contact me on VIP on Telegram. Here you can see it is creating a bull flag and very beautiful pattern, and it is in this rising broadening wedge, and once it break this once it break this bull flag zone, then it should have to go to and hit this zone. This is my target. 0.0752 is my next target for the VChain right now. This is my first target, and once it broke this horizontal resistance, then to be very realistic, this will be our second target. Let me please show you where 0.09. I am very bullish on VChain. It is my favorite coin, and it is now in bull trend right now, I think. And these are the two targets. You have to note down these targets: 0.074 and 0.094, or maybe it will go down to retest this zone and retest this 0.061, and after that it will go up. Our next chart is Litecoin LTC. Many major events. A major event is coming on Litecoin, and I am sure that Litecoin will be $1,000 within this year, and it will hit $1,000 mark within this year. I am very sure. That is why Litecoin, I personally prefer Litecoin, and this is Litecoin is currently in this rising horizontal channel, and let me please make some support and resistance level for you for better understanding. And let me please tell you my first target for this. My first target for the Litecoin is this zone. $212 is my next target for the Litecoin right now, and this is the target. And once it break for this upside trend line, and once it break this pattern, then definitely it have to go to this zone. Maybe it will break from that zone, maybe it will break from that zone, but it should have to break this. Once it break this, then our next target will be this zone. $225. These are two targets. First target is $212, second target is $225, and third target is $233. These are three targets for the Litecoin right now for me. And let me please show you my next chart, which is very beautiful chart, and it is the chart of BNB, Binance coin, my favorite coin, and it is now currently rejected from that zone, $248, and price is decline and price is decreasing. Maybe price will go down to hit this zone and to touch this up downside trend line 235, and after that price will go up. And let me tell you, it is currently is in this rising channel, rising horizontal channel, and let me please tell you my first target for the channeling, for the Binance coin right now. Our first target for the Binance coin is this level, 265, and second is, let me please tell you, once it break this horizontal upside trend line, then the upside trend line, when it breaks, then our second target will be this 281. 268 and 280 are our two targets for the Binance coin right now. My next coin is Aave, beautiful coin. Aave is currently in this rising wedge, and it was declined from that, rejected from that zone, which is $440, and now we see a downtrend movement. I think maybe it will go to retest this zone and go to retest this downtrend line, and after that it will go up. Let me please tell you my first target. Sorry for that. Our first target for the Aave is that zone, 492, and once it break this zone, then definitely it will cross $500 mark. Our second target will be 492, and our third target will be 540. These are three targets for the Aave right now. According to the technical analysis, let me please tell you, it should have to move like this. Once it break this horizontal upside trend line, it should have to hit this like this, 550, 493, 498, and 540. These are the targets for the Aave right now for me. But for these targets, Aave should have to hold this zone and should have to pull back from that zone, otherwise let me please show you my next chart, which is Maker. Maker is currently struggling to break this upside resistance, and which is at $2,200 and price, and once it break, then our first target will be this zone, $2,360, and let me please tell you my next target. Once it break this, 2,511 is our second target. And third target is 2693. These are the targets. But for these, but to achieve this target, it should have to break this upside trend line with hourly candles. You can see many rejection from that zone. Once it break this will definitely going to hit all these targets. Otherwise, maybe it will go down to retest this zone 236, and after that it will go up. But these are the targets. Let me please show you my next chart. EGLD. EGLD is currently in this pattern of this pennant, and once it break this pattern, let me please show you what is the target. Once it break towards upside, our next target will be this zone 161, and then our second target will be this zone 162. You can say 161 and 165, these are the targets. And but if unfortunately it move towards downside and break this downtrend line and break this pattern towards the downside, then in that case our target will be this 131. For upside movement, you should have to wait. Once it cross $150, then you can open a long trade. Otherwise, once it break this downside resistance trend line, then the downside spot trend line, then definitely it is going to hit 131. But if you want to take these trades, then do your own risk, and I will not responsible any of your loss. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you, and I am not a financial advisor. Dogecoin. My next chart is very important and good coin. Doge is currently struggling to hold this trend line. If Doge break this down trend line, then definitely it will hit this 0.053. Otherwise, let me please show you my next target for the Doge right now. And if Doge break this horizontal resistance, which is at $0.0598 and close of 4 hour candles above these, then our target will be 0.065. Our first target will be this zone 0.063. This is our first target, previous resistance. Second target will be 0.064, and third target will be this zone 0.066. But if unfortunately Doge break this downtrend line, then it will go down to 0.053. You should have to wait. Once it break 0.060, then you have to open your trade at your own risk. My next coin is XRP, Ripple, very important coin. Ripple is currently struggling to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $0.48. Once it break this horizontal resistance, let me please tell you my next target. Then according to this pattern, because it is in this rising channel, ascending channel you can say, and then our target will be this zone. According to the technical things, this is our target, $0.50. And let me please tell you my second target. $0.51. These are two targets right now for me for in XRP Ripple. And if unfortunately it fails to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $0.48, sorry. This is our first target, $0.50. This is our second target, is $0.51. These are two targets, and if it reject from this zone, which is $0.48, then definitely it will go to retest this zone again, and it is at $0.46, $0.468, and then it will pull back. Otherwise, if it break this downtrend line, then definitely it is going to hit this zone 0.44. But I think maybe it will break this from that zone, or maybe it will go down and after that it will go up, but I think it should have to move towards upside. My next chart is pancake. Pancake is right now, pancake breaks this very strong resistance which was at $12.5, and now it break the neckline of this W pattern like, and let me please share you my targets and my thoughts. Our first target for this should be this 13.94, and let me please show you my next target. Sorry for that. And then our second target will be this zone. Sorry for that. Let me please show you. $14.3, $14.35, 13.97 and 14.35. These are two targets for the cake right now. But if cake fails to break this horizontal very strong resistance, then maybe we see some sideways action like this, and after that the price will go up towards upside. We have to wait for this. I think cake will definitely hit these targets because price of cake is very low right now, and definitely it is in uptrend right now, and definitely it should have to hit these targets 13.97 and 14.35. These are two targets. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Lit USDT, and it is in rising broadening wedge. Our first target of this is this zone 9.77, and our second target should be this 10.97, 10.69, and our third target should be, once it break this rising broadening wedge, then it have to hit this. Then third target should be this. These are the targets for the lit right now: 9.7, 10.7 and 12.08. It is the midterm target. It is immediate short. These are immediate short-term target. But for this, lit should have to break this horizontal resistance. Otherwise, it will move towards sideways. It will move sideways. Otherwise, my next coin is 1 inch. 1 inch is break this horizontal resistance, which was at $4.47, and now I think it should have to hold this zone and have to hit this target. This is our first target, and it is at $4.8, and our next target will be this once it break this zone. Sorry for that. Once it break this horizontal zone, then our first target, once it break its upside trend line, then our second target will be this 5.15, or maybe this 5.15 or maybe 5.21. These are two targets. First target is 4.85, second target is 5.15. Let me please show you my next chart, which is XSP. SXB is currently at $3.03 price and looking bullish right now. first target for this, once it broke this horizontal resistance, then our first target will be this. Horizontal resistance is at $3.08. Our first target for this coin is $3.41, and let me please label on this 3.41, and our second target will be once it break this horizontal upside trend line, of this rising broadening wedge, then definitely our next target will be this zone. These are two targets, 3.8, 3.88 and 3.41. These are two targets for the SXP. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Matic. Matic is currently is trading at $0.22, and it is currently struggling to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $0.228, and maybe it will move sideways like this. Maybe it will move, it will go down to retest this 0.21, and after that it will go up. Once it break this horizontal resistance, which is at 0.228, then let me please tell you my first target. In that case, once it break this horizontal resistance, then our first target will be this 0.254. This is my target, but for this it should have to break this horizontal resistance of 0.235 and 0.252. After that it will hit $0.225, and according to the technical things, these are the targets. I think first target is 0.236, second target is 0.252, and third target is $0.255. These are three targets. My next chart is SNX. SNX is currently struggling to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $22.15, and maybe once it break this horizontal resistance, then let me please tell you my first target, because it is in this rising channel, and once it break this, this is our target of once it break this horizontal resistance and break this upside trend line, then our first target will be 24.516, and let me please show you my second target. First target is 23.5, second target is 24.16. You can say 23.5, 23.8 and 24.16. These are the targets, and if it fails to break this horizontal resistance, then maybe it will going to retest this zone, $21.10, and after that price will go up. Maybe price will go down to note down this $21.2 maybe, and after that price will go up. My next coin is Reef, very important coin. Reef is currently in this triangle, and sorry for that. Friends, please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. And if you want to trade these coins on Binance, then please go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within I think it will take only 30 seconds. Then you can trade these 40 coins on Binance. And if you want to open a Hotbit account for the small gems, small cap coins, then click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds, I think. And if you want to do leverage trading, then you have to open a Bybit account. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Let me please show you my next chart, Reef. Reef is currently is at 0.037, and let me please tell you my immediate short-term target. I think it should have to move towards upside and should have to hit this zone, and this is our first target for the Reef right now, and it is at 0.039. This is our first target for the Reef right now, and Once it break this triangle, then definite it is looking like symmetrical triangle, then definitely it will have to hit this zone. Reef is, I am very bullish on reef, and future of reef is very bright. 0.038 is our first target, 0.042 is our second target, and 0.044 is our third target. These are the targets. Once reef break this upside trend line and close 4 hourly candles above this zone 0.039, then it will hit 0.042 and 0.044. My next chart is BTT, BitTorrent token, very important token. It is currently struggling to hold this zone, is at 0.012857. And what is the next target for me right now for this token? I think our first target will be this zone, and it should have to hit upside trend line, which is at 13,540. This is my first target for the BTT right now. Once BTT break this, then it should be our second target, 0.01466, and our third target will be this horizontal resistance 0.00149. Please note down these targets. But for these targets, BTT should have to hold this zone, and after that it definitely will go up and hit this, or maybe we can see that kind of movement. Maybe price goes down to 0.00123, and after that it will go up, but I am sure that it will hit these targets very soon. Let me focus to the content, and let me please show you my next chart, which is Algorand, Algo USDT. Algo is successfully break this horizontal resistance, which was at $1.16, and it is bullish right now, and it is currently struggling to break this rising channels uptrend line. And once it break this, then definitely it will hit this zone. Let me please tell you my first target for this. I think it have to hit this zone, 1.265, 1.2526, and once it broke this horizontal trend line, upside trend line, or you can say ascending channel trend line, then technical target will be 1.27, 1.22, 1.26 and 1.27. These are the targets for this token, Algorand. And maybe but if it fails to hold this, then definitely it will go to retest, it will go down to retest $1.10, and then definitely it will move like this, and it will hit this target. This target, I think Algorand should have to hit within few days. I think these are the targets, and it will. My next coin is TWT USDT. The pair is USDT, and how beautifully it breaks $0.58 price, 0.588 price level, and now it is currently struggling to hold this zone, and how beautifully it break this cup, how beautifully. According to the technical tees, this is the target right now for this. According to the technical tees, this is the target. 0.68 is our first target. It should have to hit this, but for this it should have to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $0.643. You can say 0.643 is our first target, and our second target will be this 0.6822. Let me please tell you my next chart, show you. My next chart is WIN USDT. This token successfully break this horizontal resistance, and now it is currently trading at 0.00022122. And let me please tell you my next target for this token right now. Our first target of this token is 0.00023318. You can, let me please label on this. This is our first target, and our second target will be this trend line, which is at 0.00022399. These are two targets for the WIN token right now. Let me please show you my next chart, which is UTK. And it is in this beautiful pennant pattern, and once it breaks towards upside, and it is currently trading at $0.40 price level, and once it breaks towards once it breaks towards upside this pennant, then our target should be this 0.47, and this is the target 2. This is first target 0.47, and second target is this 0.5068. This is our second target for this. But if unfortunately it break towards downside, then let me please tell you the target. You should have to open your trade once it break out or break down, but do your own research before entering this trade. I will not responsible any of your loss, because leverage trading and trading is very risky business. 0.32. Once it break towards downside and break this horizontal resistance with horizontal support line, which is 0.37, then definitely it will hit 0.32, otherwise 0.47 and 0.50. These are the targets. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button for more informative and useful content like this. Keep your support up. ONE USDT is our next chart. It is in this falling wedge. Once it breaks this falling wedge towards upside, then our full bullish target is this. It should have to hit this zone, $0.4478. Our first target will be this zone, 0.038. This is our first target. Then our second target will be this zone, 0.0435, and our third target will be this zone, 0.0444. But if unfortunately it break this pattern towards downside, it is the possibility, because this is a pattern. Once it break towards downside and break this horizontal support and downtrend line too, then definitely price will go down to this 0.02584. You have to wait until breakout comes and it close overly candles above this zone, which is $0.038. Then it will go up, otherwise maybe sideways, or maybe it will go down. My next chart is CRV USDT. CRV is currently, how beautifully it break this pattern, symmetrical triangle, and now my target, medium duration target is $2.92. My you can say immediate short term target, let me please show you. Once it break this $2.5 resistance level, then it should have to hit this zone. These are the targets: 2.92 and $3. These are two targets. Okay, and but for this it should have to break this upside trend line, which is very strong resistance right now. You can see there, this is very strong upside resistance because of this. Let me please show you. Because of this is the main trend line. Once it break this trend line and close 4 hourly candle above this, then definitely it have to hit 3.04 and $2.92. Otherwise maybe it will go down or maybe some sideways action. Okay, let's jump into the next chart, which is H bar. Hedera. Beautifully, the video of Hedera H bar is available on my YouTube channel, in which I predict all prices of this token I am expecting in 2021. And please watch this video and let me please tell you my targets. It is now currently creating a bull flag. Yes, it is creating. Once it break this bull flag, then I will tell you my next target. Yes, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. $0.2396 over is our target. Sorry for that. This is our target, 0.239. You can say 0.24 is our next target for the Hedera right now. And let me please. This is target of this horizontal spot. 0.023 and 0.239. These are two targets for the H bar right now for me. This is very important coin. Break is in this downtrend, heavily downtrend, and it is likely to break this zone, upper trend line, which is at 0.25. Once it break this, then definitely price of this BAKE token will go up, and definitely what is the next target, let me please show you. Then definitely our first target will be this $1.42. Then our second target will be this $1.48 and 1.52. These are the targets. 1.48 and 1.50. You can say this is the target, this horizontal line. 1.48, 1.42 and $1.48. These are the targets for the BAKE. Once it break this zone, this is break BUSD pair, break BUSD pair, and 1.42 and 1.48. These are the targets. And let me please show you my next chart, which is AVAX. AVAX is currently in this is at $25 price level, and it is struggling in this falling channel, or you can say falling wedge, and it is here you can see some sideways action. Maybe it will go down to hit this zone, $23.5, and then definitely price will go to hit $28. Let me please tell you my first target. Once it break this upside trend line, you can say, let me please tell you. Once it break this upside trend line, our first target will be this zone. If it break this towards upside, and after that, this will be our first target, 27.20, and second target will be this zone, $28. And once it break this $28 price restriction, then definitely it have to hit this. These are three targets, but for this, to achieve these targets, it should have to break this upside resistance, upside trend line resistance, which is at $25.2. Once it break this, then definitely 27.2, 28.04 and 32.25. These are the targets. My next coin is Atom Cosmos. Cosmos how beautifully break this upside trend line, and now it is ready for the new targets. Let me please tell you my first immediate short-term target for the Cosmos right now. Once Cosmos break this upside horizontal resistance, which is at $19.86, then our first target will be this 21.28 is our target. And according to the pattern, let me please tell you. It should have to hit this level too. And this is the level of 22. 21.2 and 22.2, these are the targets for the Cosmos right now for me. But to achieve these targets, Cosmos should have to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $19.86. Once it break and close 4 hourly candles above this, then definitely it will hit 21.28 and 22.23. These are the targets. My next coin is very important coin, Koti coin. The video of the Koti coin is available on my YouTube channel, and in that video I tell all my targets, long duration targets of 2021, medium duration and small duration targets for this coin. Please watch this video. It is available on my Telegram on my channel, and if on my YouTube channel. And if you want to join Telegram and my VIP Signal Premium channel, then you have to contact me on my Telegram. Link is in this video description. And it is currently trading at 0.4687, and it is Koti coin. And let me please tell you my first target. Once Koti break this horizontal resistance, which is $0.49, and close 4 hourly candles above this, then our first target will be this zone, which is $0.60 is first target. And I'm very sure Koti should have to break this zone. This is very I think realistic target. $49, $0.49 and $0.60. These are two targets right now for the Koti, right for me right now. These are two targets. And let me please show you my next chart. NEEM XEM. XEM is currently is in downtrend. Once it break this horizontal, once it break this upside trend line and close hourly candles, 4 hourly candles above $0.73, then it will move towards upside. Then our technical target will be this. But for this we have to wait. Once it break this $0.74 with 4 hour candle closing, then definitely our first target is this zone, $0.85. You can say our first target will be this horizontal resistance, 0.79, or you can say 0.80, and second target will be 0.85. But for this, it should have to break this upside trend line, which is currently at $0.74, and should have to close 4 hourly candle above this. Otherwise, it will move sideways like this. Maybe it will go down to hit this zone again, 0.68, and then it will move up. But if it breaks $0.74 with 4 hourly candle closing, then definitely 0.79 and 0.85. My next target, my next coin is Ocean. I like this coin, and this is very good coin, and it is in massive bull trend, and after that we see a rejection from that price, $1.69, and after that it is currently at $1.42. Once it break this upside trend line, let me please tell you my next target. Once it break its upside trend line, our first target will be 1.67. You can say this is our first target, 1.51, and this is our second target, 1.68. But for this, to achieve these targets, it should have to close 4 hourly candles above this zone, which is $1.48. Once it close 4 hourly candle above $1.48, then definitely it should have to hit 1.51 and $1.68. These are the targets right now for Ocean for me. And I am seeing this bull flag in this. Let me please show you. This is like a bull flag. Absolutely a bull flag. And price may be, Ocean price may be hit this zone. Consider this target too, $2. These are 3 targets. This is immediate short-term target. This is medium duration target, maybe within 2 days, 3 days, or 5 days. And this is target of maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. But it should have to hit these targets. Otherwise, it will go down to hit this, retest this zone, 1.38. My next coin is ENJ USDT pair. It is my favorite NFT token, non-fungible token, and I think definitely it will create history in this 2021. And here you can see how beautifully it pumps. The video of ENJ is on my YouTube channel, in which I predict all price targets of this. You have to go to in this video's description, and where you can get the link of my YouTube channel. Just subscribe my YouTube channel, and after that you will see this. It is currently is in this rising channel, or ascending wedge, you can say, and it is at $1.81, and it is creating no bull flag, again a bull flag. Here you can see, once it breaks towards the upside, let me please clone this, then it have to hit this zone. Sorry for that. $2.14 is our first target, but to achieve this target, it should have to break this zone, and it should have to close 4 hourly candle above this zone, which is $1.95. You can say $1.95 is our first target, $2.14 is our second target, and our third target will be like this, and after that it will hit like this, 2.74. But this is a I think this will take time, but I think this target it should have to hit within some days. 1.95, 2.14, and this is long duration target, 2.74, my third target. This is my last coin, ENG BTC pair, and it is currently trading at 350 Satoshi, and it is rejected from $3,722, $3,722 Satoshis. Sorry for that. This is the horizontal resistance. This is the main trend line. Let's draw some drawings. maybe price goes down to hit this zone, and after that maybe price goes down to hit this 3100 Satoshi, and after that it will hit this zone 3700 Satoshi, or maybe once it break this, then definitely it will go up to this is our first target. 4300 Satoshi, 4324 Satoshi. This is our first target, and this is our second target. Let me please tell you. This is our second target, and it is 4800 Satoshi, 4871 Satoshi. These are two targets for the ENJ BTC pair. These are the targets. Friends, that's it. This is the video in which I cover many altcoins. Please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now, and please, if you want to join Binance to trade these coins at your own risk, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds. And if you want to collect some small cap coins, then go to this exchange and click on this link and create your account. It is Hotbit link. And if you want to open a trading account, leverage trading account, and if you want to get $200 bonus absolutely free, but only condition is the deposit, then you can open a Bybit account with this link, and it will only take 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching, friend. Please keep supporting